north.
Good afternoon. We are in Gardiner, Wyoming, I think. And we are going to Bozeman. Crazy busy here. So Hot Springs Terraces, Old Faithful's 51 miles to the left. Yeah, we're skipping all that.
Turn right to stay on US 89 north.
Oh, there's the visitor center. I would love to drive down that road, but I don't want to drive through there again. Yeah, this is actually a really fun town, and when it's not that busy, it's even better. It's like there's places for me to park though if I wanted to on the other side. But it's Gardiner, Wyoming. Here's the RV section.
Take the second right to stay on US 89
Oh,
north.
actually, this is Mammoth Hot Springs. Gardiner's in 5 miles. So we'll call this Mammoth Hot Springs to somewhere. I'm not sure where.
Continue on US 89 north for 5 miles.
So all those houses I saw off of the highway going into there to the Mammoth are government housing, I think. You can't buy them. I don't think, none of this is private housing. But Mammoth Hot Springs, it was busy. I didn't realize Gardiner was 5 miles away. I thought it was like right here. Oh wow, there's a campground down there. It's not even busy. Wow, I almost want to stay there. I'm tempted to check it out. 75 degrees. Oh, I might drive through there. We might spend the night here. Would be fun. And I have 4G cell service. Yeah, I think I'm going to check it out. It's called Mammoth Campground. Oh, it's full. Never mind. So everyone's just out, or they're not here yet. That's too bad. So the spots I see that are empty are either taken or reserved. I thought I was going to get lucky, and I'm like, what? On a Saturday night? Actually, it looks like a really fun place to stay. It's pretty big. Wow, look at all the tents. Yeah, it looks really nice. Lava Creek hiking right here. Wow, it's up to 81 degrees. Hey, it's gonna get hot. I didn't think it was supposed to be like super hot today. But I don't know, we'll see. If it is, I will definitely not stay in Bozeman. My goal is Butte. I like Butte. Butte, Montana. Oh, we're losing the clouds, is what it is. This is really pretty. It's definitely dry all of a sudden. Been in practically every ecosystem today. I drove through a ski area earlier, people skiing, and now I'm in this. There's only 2 miles of this. And I have never taken this road before. I'm almost positive. Because every time I came up, I always went through West Yellowstone or Jackson. That's the way I came, that's the way I left. So I don't know what Gardiner looks like. I hope it's nice. This would be a fun area to hike in. I think I saw a trail. Here's another parking lot. Closed. Ah, had awesome river access. That was too bad. Wow, this is so... I love Montana. Look at... I mean, how do you not like these rivers in Montana? Just amazing. I see why people go trout fishing here. So, my wife used to work with someone when we were in SoCal, and he would come up to go fly fishing up here all the time with his buddies. Now I totally see why. I mean, they would drive straight through, take turns driving. That's how hardcore they were. Have all their gear. I mean, you're talking, I want to say it was 24 hours of driving from San Diego. They'd get here in 24 hours. When one's not driving, they're sleeping. That's dedication. I don't think I ever knew anyone that dedicated. Must have been hanging around the wrong people. Now I just don't know anyone around. That's fine. Getting old. Priorities change. Gotta find new peoples that like doing different things. Definitely dry in here. This looks like this could pass for the desert Southwest right here. Wow, this is a long 2 miles. I wonder if that's the Madison River. Not really sure. That might be on the other highway, following the other highway out of West Yellowstone. To Bozeman. 310 is our ETA, so yeah, most likely we'll go to Butte. That'll make tomorrow easier. Tomorrow is Sunday. Ah, this is the Rescue Creek Trailhead parking. Got a bridge for you to cross. Alright, here's Gardiner coming up. And it does not look familiar. It's a nice setup. They got 2 kayaks, a roof rack, and something else on their roof of their car. I wonder if they're exceeding the weight limit of that rack. North entrance, elevation 5,314 feet. Oh wow, this is the north entrance of Yellowstone right here. Yeah, I have never come this way because I would have remembered this. I remember all the entrance stations. Doing here.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Robert
So fascinating to them. Wow, so the entrance is in Gardiner. I did not know that. Looks like they're doing some major construction too.
Turn next right onto Robert Reaver Avenue.
So we probably end this video in Gardiner since we went kind of slow. Keep it simple.
In a quarter mile, slight left onto East Park Street.
Yeah, I don't even think we're on the road, like the old road. Wow, look at the wood shingles on that roof. They look brand new. Or they cleaned it. It's a nice little old house. I like it. Huh. I like those stone houses. So what is this place? Oh, I wonder if it's National Park storage, like all their stuff. You know, for the restaurants, the hotels, all their supplies. Looks like warehouses. Really old. Yellowstone Human Resources, something else. Yeah, I think it's offices too. It must have a massive.
Left onto East Park Street, then turn right onto US 89 North.
Must be a massive amount of people that work for Yellowstone. Yeah, I have not been here before. It's definitely a different town than all the rest. Can't say what I think of it yet.
Turn right onto US 89 North, South 2nd Street.
I kind of want to go. Yeah, I want to see this strip mall, but I don't really want to. I think it's just a bunch of tourist stuff, cafes, restaurants. It looks
Continue
neat.
on US 89 North for 53 miles.
Yeah, this looks fun, this town. I would definitely come back and walk around. It's not huge, I don't think, but it's got enough to do, I think. There's the Cowboys Lodge and Grill. That looks fun. Oh, they're adding an outside deck to eat at. It looks like that'll be nice. See a raft down there with no one in it. I think it's tied up. I hope. Wow, these motels on the right have a view of the river. That is really neat. Yeah, this looks like a decent town. So it's showing RV park to the right. Not really sure. It's a Conoco here. This is where I was going to get gas. But I found the gas in Yellowstone. It was only $3.69 a gallon, so it was worth paying an extra 30, 40, 50 cents a gallon, I thought. Wow, look at all the cars here. Flying Pig Adventures. I like that. They're like a rafting company, it looks like. Yeah, this looks like a good place to stay. I mean, you're only 5 miles from the park. I would rather stay here than West Yellowstone, maybe, actually. We might do that next time. Kind of done with West Yellowstone. It's such a... I mean, there was no cars getting in the park here. West Yellowstone is a zoo. So if you're going to come in the summer, definitely stay in Gardiner, and you won't have trouble getting inside the park. If you stay in West Yellowstone, you might wait in line forever. Buffalo Burger, shakes and fries at that cafe. Oh, that looked nice. Yeah, I'm glad I drove through here because I never would have thought of staying here. I just need to find an RV park now. And I know they have some. Or get lucky and get a spot at Mammoth Hot Springs Campground. Yeah, this is a big town. It's actually might be bigger than West Yellowstone. It's laid out different, so it's hard to say. Roosevelt Hotel in Yellowstone. Wild West rafting at bus set on. Here's the Yellowstone Village. That looks the Inn and Suites. We got a vacancy. Well, that was Gardiner. Drive from Mammoth Hot Springs to Gardiner. So we're going to end that video, and thanks for watching.